Hello again, my name's John. I'm a retired cook from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to my latest video recipe. And in this very quick video I'll be showing you how I make this fantastic lemon curd. This is sort of part one of how to make this great lemon pudding that you see in the image, and I'll be making that in the very next video. And here's a list of the 4 simple ingredients that you'll need to make this delicious lemon curd. And as always, you can view the ingredients list and full written method on the channel's website. There'll be a link in the description box below, or click on the eye icon top right of your screen. And as this is a very short fill-in video, I'll be doing the Patreon and PayPal shout out in the main lemon pudding video, which will be shortly following this one. Okay, let's get on with this very quick lemon curd recipe. And the first job is to zest and juice 2 large lemons. Try not to grate too far down into the pith of the lemon skin, as it's very bitter. FYI, this batch yields approximately 650 grams, that's 1.5 pounds of lemon curd. If you can only find small or medium lemons, just use a few more. And to give you an idea, you'll need 150 ml of lemon juice from the lemons that you use. If you find you're going to be a little short, you can top it up with a little water or even lemon juice from a bottle, but freshly squeezed lemons is always better. Right, over to the stove. Place the pan on a very low heat and add the butter and allow it to just melt. Soon as it's melted, turn off the heat. And now add the caster sugar and whisk it in until it's all dissolved. You can use ordinary granulated sugar, but it will take longer to dissolve. Now I'm using homemade butter and homemade caster sugar. If you want to know how to do that, check the links in the description box below. It's not as difficult as you may think. Time to add the eggs one at a time, but before you do, check that the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, that's around 104 Fahrenheit. If it's any hotter, it will scramble the eggs and the recipe will be ruined. And once you're sure it's not too hot, add the eggs one at a time, whisking them in as shown. And now add the zest of the lemons and mix that in. Finally, add the 150 ml of lemon juice and thoroughly mix that in too. And now, and only now, you can add a medium heat and bring the mixture to a slow boil. Once it comes to a steady rolling boil, as you can see on screen, you can turn off the heat and let it cool down. Once it's cool enough, you can add it to a couple of sterilised jars or a larger bowl. This batch makes about 650 grams, which is about 1.5 pounds. And after about 8 hours in the fridge, it'll be completely set and ready to use on toast, scones and lots of other dessert recipes. And that's where it'll come in handy for our very next video recipe, and that's this wonderful lemon pudding. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in the kitchen and bye for now.